first day in Bangkok. We arrived yesterday evening and just went out for dinner. And now it's time to explore the city, and first we're going to a really nice cafe, or like hopefully it's really nice, but the pictures look amazing and I can't wait to get there. So order the crab will arrive soon and then we will go, because I'm so hungry. Okay, I guess this is it and I'm so excited. It looks so beautiful already. It's insane. It's so beautiful here, and you're in the middle of the city, but here it feels like you're in a rainforest, like at a miracle place. It's so pretty. We are going to the party street, I guess. I don't know, because I guess we are already on a party street, but now we're going to the next one. So we will see. We will see. We'll be good. And now I have to walk stairs. Oh my gosh. Woo. Okay, this street is crazy, but we are now at the place where it's a little bit quieter. And it's crazy, like you can eat crocodiles, scorpions, snakes, cockroaches. I don't know, you can buy joint massages. I don't know, like everything. And it's nice, but oh my god, like it's really busy and promoters everywhere, and you get loud music from both sides, so be prepared. It's loud, but I guess that is Bangkok, and it's so cool, it's so much fun, and I love it. I ordered sex on a stick, so we will see what this is and what I will get. Okay, this is what sex on a stick looks like. Let's see how it tastes. choose. Yep, just choose. That's why Bangkok is such an interesting city. I hope you liked that video and let me know in the comments if you have been to Bangkok before and what are your thoughts on that city. See you in the next one. Bye!